Okay, it's New Year's Day, and first steam engine to be run this year is this rather lovely Bowman M158, dating from somewhere about 1930. I haven't run this one for a number of years now, actually, so I thought it would make a change. It'd be nice to run something a little bit different. You can see behind it, it's got its stablemate, the E158, which has the wooden base. This one also has the optional chimney and exhaust pipe, and also you could also have as an option an oiler to fit onto the engine frame there. It's very similar, you can see, to the pre-war Maymard SE2. You can see where Geoffrey Maylins took his inspiration when making the new range of engines for hobbies. This one's just about come to the boil now, so without no more ado, we'll give this one a little flick and see what happens. And there we have it. See the counter shaft, very much a feature of Bowman engines, and you see Geoffrey Maylins continue that into the SE series of engines. You can see very similar counter shaft there. Like all Bowman engines, they run beautifully. Very, very well made. Certainly a better standard of finish than some of the pre-war Mammoths. This one's running counter shaft. It's got 3 pulleys on there to drive various engines. I've got a Meccano pulley, 1-inch pulley on that, but you could fit all sorts of sprockets and so on in order to run your various models. Just hold this one down a little bit. The chimney sits on top of the actual steam dome, so it gets slightly drier steam going to the piston cylinder. Whilst I'm talking about that, the actual cylinder on these would normally be painted green, very similar, exactly the same way as the E158 behind. But anyway, apart from that, you see this engine's running beautifully. Testament to toy steam engineering, considering this is nearly 85 years old, this engine. Very stormy day outside in Plymouth. It has a grooved flywheel on this one. The E158 seems to have a smooth flywheel. I don't know what the actual reasoning behind this is. You tend to find some of the engines with the unsecured base-mounted chimneys, like the E135, had smooth flywheels, and like the M135 had a grooved one. I don't think there's any hard and fast rule. I'm sure there might be some thinking behind it, or some gradual evolutionary process of design. These were made at Dereham in Norfolk. Most of the parts were bought in and they were merely assembled there. Obviously, hobbies being a woodworking business, had an ample supply of timber, which is why you see some of their engines running with wooden bases, such as the E158, E135, E167 and the E101. Runs like a Swiss watch, these little engines. Had a thorough lubrication beforehand. Probably find that maybe the fitting an oiler to one of these, and I have seen them, it's maybe a little bit over the top, but a little bit messy as well. But for the Bowman completist, it's a lovely, lovely addition to have. The original Bowman oilers